Look at another Chinese magnificent structure. Wow, this is a wonderful bridge. These guys are flying bridge over valleys. One thing is sure, they are good. I like the concept they always use, which is making use of arc, because arc reduces moment, reduces bending moment more than normal horizontal beams. They are good. One thing is sure, they don't have two heads. We can do that. Just that their government is supporting them a lot, and our own government, well, God will help us. That is the beauty of engineering solution. Thank you.